If you're looking for a free resource to help you in your real estate investing, please download our free hard money calculator available for both iPhone and Android users. This calculator will help you determine things such as profit on a flip or equity capture on a rental property, and it even helps you determine your closing costs and if there's any money that's required by you to bring to closing. Let's say you're looking at doing a flip transaction. All you need is 3 numbers in order to determine what your closing costs will be and the other factors that this calculator will give you. So let's say you're buying a property for $150,000. You've estimated the renovations to cost $50,000, and then you've also estimated the ARV, or the after repaired value, to be $300,000. So you put those in your calculator. I'm going to keep this on flip on a 6-month loan. You can put your information in these lines, and then you hit calculate at the bottom. Now you see all the numbers that it spits out. We have our loan amount, we have our lender fees, other closing costs, which total up to $11,250 of total closing costs. You have your estimated funds due at closing, your loan payments, and then what your profit would be on a flip. Had you done a rental property, it would show your equity capture in that rental property. And then you can either email that, or you can just hit the call button and give us a call, and we'll be happy to help. If you're interested in downloading our calculator, just click on download on this page, or go to your app store and search Hard Money Calculator.